cast this power eggs down river here. We'll get any of these trout. Fish on. Bait runner. Fish on. Oh, that's a good one. Good trout. Oh yeah, this guy's pulling. Good trout. Good trout. Here it comes. There he goes. Right there. It's on the power eggs. Wacky rigged power bait trout worm in pink. Fish on, got one. The power worm. Nice. Went for that power worm. Nice hit. Power worm right in his mouth. There it goes. Nice one. Right there. Power worm right in his mouth. Good fish. We're going for a quick limit, guys. Look at this guy right there. There it goes, number 3, right there, on the egg, on the power eggs. Rain. That's not gonna stop me. I'm going for a limit. Fish on, got one. Oh, I lost that one. Wow, he went for it. He went for that worm. Lost him. Okay, huh? Let's see. He got. There he goes. Came back. Fish on. As soon as he landed. Oh, and I lost this guy too. Are you kidding me? I just lost 2 back to back. Let's see if I get him to come back. But those 2 that bit, they definitely got hooked, so I don't think those are gonna be biting for a while. But let's see if we find any of their friends still around. Chartreuse trout magnet. Went to the chartreuse trout magnet. I got this one right here. Nice acrobatics. Get this guy over there. Right there. Oh, whoa, oh. There he goes. There he goes. Right on the top of the mouth right there. Trout magnet worm. Pink also. See if we get any takers on this guy. This worm is a little bit thicker than the power worm. Fish on. Oh my goodness. Wait, that's not a. What is this? Green sunfish, greedy guy went for this. Good trout, but let's just to be able to grab it. Look, they're grabbing it right there. Whoa, the thing is they're not getting it that good. I already had 2 grabs The pink Trout Magnum worm. Got him. There's a trout, yep. Got that trout. The Trout Magnum pink worm. Here goes. That's number 5 right here for the day. No! I just lost that fish right here. Lost a few today, but I'm gonna tell you, this Trout Magnum worm is getting bit. Ball one. Hit that Trout Magnum worm there. Let's see if I can get this guy in the net. Yes! The trout worm. Nice. Out of the 5 I got so far on the stringer, I got 2 on Power Eggs, 1 on the Chartreuse Trout Magnet, and the other one, the other 2, 1 Powerbait pink worm, and the other one on the Trout Magnet pink worm. The Trout Magnet one is a little bit thicker, a little bit longer than the Powerbait one, but seems that's working fine. Now I did lose fish on both of those worms. Why? Because it wacky rigged. And on the wacky rig, sometimes you do lose them, but it's so much fun to see that bobber down, guys. So just need one more. Need to land one more for my limit today. There it goes. There it goes. Look, as soon as he lands it. Yeah, but this is not a trout. What is this? Red breast sunfish. Went right for that worm. It's a nice big red breast right there. Look at this guy. Good fish. Red breast. Let's release this guy. We don't want him. Now that red breast on the pink worm. There comes the limit. This guy went for the orange magnet. There it goes. Nice. That's the limit for the day right there, guys. I had to switch to the orange magnet right on top of his mouth. There it goes. So I completed the task for today. I ended up with my 6 rainbows, which is the limit here in Jersey for the spring. It's already May, guys. We got this month that they're gonna be still stocking here in Jersey. So get out here.